I'm making a frozen strawberries and cream cocktail, which is basically a boozy smoothie topped with crushed pistachios. I'll start by rimming the glasses so that they're ready to go once the cocktail is done. I've got crushed freeze-dried strawberries. They're crunchy and sour and a pretty color of pink, and crushed pistachios. I love pink and green together, and the flavors are nice too. To stick these onto the glasses, I'll use honey. And I like a lot of stuff on the rim. I feel like these extra flavors of the sour freeze-dried strawberries and the nutty pistachios actually complete the flavors of the cocktail. And then I'll just roll the rim to get all of this to stick onto the honey. The honey is a really good glue. So pretty. I like these rustic colors. I'll mix up the cocktail right in my blender. 2 cups of frozen strawberries. I'll sweeten with 1/4 cup of sugar. And then for the liquid in this cocktail, 1/4 cup each of whole milk and heavy cream, which will add nice creaminess without making it overly heavy. And then 1/4 cup of the good stuff, vodka. I'll flavor with a splash of vanilla extract. And lastly, a little pinch of cardamom adds a floral flavor that makes this cocktail extra special. Okay, I'll blend it up. That's good and smooth. I want a pretty color. It's party time. It's like a milkshake. I obviously like pink. I want to sprinkle on a couple more pistachios because it's pretty cute. Let me just make sure it's good. Oh yeah, that gets the party started. I mean, it's like a great strawberry milkshake with an extra kick.